In this video, we will be showing you how to replace your variable valve timing solenoid on your Audi Q5, located in your engine compartment. We're first going to need to remove our engine cover. Set that to the side. To get started on replacing our VVT solenoids, we're going to need to remove the connectors that hold them on. On this vehicle, we have 8 solenoids. To remove these solenoids, you will see that there is a gray locking pin on each of your tabs. To release them, you will either need to pull up on each fin, or if they're stuck so that you do not break the connector, what I like to do is use an angled pick, reach on it from the underneath, and slowly push it up. And now we can see that we clearly have a gap here, meaning that it's unlocked. Push down on your tab, and you'll be able to take the connector off. Now, as you can see, each one of these solenoids are being held in place by a T25 screw. If you need to remove the solenoid that has a hidden screw, you would need a long T25 with an extension to put it right behind. And now, as you can see, I get clear access to be able to remove it. If you do not have something this skinny that will prevent you from making contact with the solenoids, what we will need to do is remove the other solenoid first so that we can actually get access to the other screw. And to do that, you will notice that the connector next to it has the tab facing in the opposite direction, which is where our angled pick comes in handy, because we can do the same exact process on the other side. Pull on both sides to make sure it's fully released. And now we can press down on it and remove this connector as well. There's a locking pin. With both of them out of the way, we can go ahead and use a regular extension in a T25 socket to remove the first one. There's our first T25. And now to remove the solenoid, twist it and pull it out. Now from here, you can have access to the other T25 should you need to replace this sensor instead. It'll be the same exact process that we just removed the first one. Now before installing any new variable valve timing solenoid, you're going to want to push down the adjustment pin by hand. Now to reinstall our solenoid, there is the one hole that will line up for our screw to go into. Slide it in, push it into place, and we're going to be using our T25 to screw it down. Now we will be tightening it down. And as it does have a seal in the gasket, the screw is very small and does not need much torque. Just get it down very nice and snug. Let's go ahead and reconnect our sensors. Of course, we want to keep them in the same orientation. The yellow connector goes into the sensor that is facing inwards towards the engine. And our other connector has its tab facing outwards of the engine. Push the locking pins down, give them a tug, make sure they don't come out of position. Reinstall our engine cover. Clear any codes on the vehicle and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.